These are my top 5 money-saving food tips for winter. Number 1, make soup out of your leftover veggies. I've been known for my chop and chuck. I put it straight into my slow cooker, and by that night when I get home, yum. Number 2, shop for seasonal winter produce. Swedes, parsnips, broccoli, sweet potato, normal white potato. All of these things are a little bit less expensive and can make for a great soup or casserole. Number 3, pull out the slow cooker. I really think I should buy shares in the slow cooking industry because my slow cooker, I talk about it to everybody. Number 4 is stop buying all those coffees. You'll save so much money. Get some beautifully herbal infused teas. Keep you warm on the inside. It's a good one. Number 5 is turn off the heater and turn on the oven. Whether it's a slow cook, roast, vegetable roast, chicken roast, or maybe even some baking so that you've got some snacks on standby for the rest of the week. It's a great way to warm up the house and have yourself organized.